Hey everyone, we got a couple baby fugs here. Baby fugglers. Fugglers have these funky human-like teeth. Although these are much smaller. Well, I guess it'd be baby-sized teeth, right? So this is Series 3, so it's nice that they tell you that. And yeah, there's a tape dot holding it together. Series 3 came out maybe in 2024 based off of that. But I don't know for sure. And so there's 9 to collect. Oh, well, that's all 9. Some of the larger boxes, they don't show you what's in the collection, but this one actually tells you, well, it gives you an idea of what's in this collection. So this one is called Sasquoosh, Baby Sasquoosh. It's like a Sasquatch, I guess. Sasquatch. And so, the 2 tiny little lower teeth. It's really funny. The mouth is so small. In fact, this thing is only like 9 centimeters, I would say, like 3.5 inches in height. So, but still, it's got the features that you would find on the larger size, 22 centimeter ones. It's a really soft velvet-like material for the skin, and then it's got pretty well stitched up tiny undies there, right? Is that a clothespin maybe? I don't know. And then Sasquoosh always has button eyes, I think. Or leave a comment. Has Sasquoosh ever been with regular eyes? I think I always see them with buttons. This is not a really good button. It's really like not really smooth. I'm not sure what happened to that. This one's alright. And so it's got a gray felt mouth, as you can see. You might be able to manipulate the filling to get a different appearance, but I can't even get my finger in that thing. And then it's got a tiny little tuft of hair. Where's my comb? I feel like if you comb some of this stuff, it looks a little bit better. There you go. But bear in mind, it does actually rip away this material. It's pretty fragile material they use for this. Yeah, see? So don't brush your fugglers too much. Alright, so we got the big tag here. One tag is in Chinese, the other one is on the back side. English, and it shows you the 2024. Whoa, I got a chase one. Nice. So usually they have a tan button, but on hole, but this one is clearly orange. So very cool. Alright. And that's, I guess, where they pulled it all together after they got the stuffing in there. Pretty well defined arms and well defined legs on this thing for something that small. Alright, let's see what this one is. Ah, a Codfather. So it's a really great name, Codfather, right? So it's a mafia fish apparently, with a little tuft of orange hair. Okay. It's a well, I can't really see it matches the fins. The fins are felt, double stacked, stitched together very well actually. And then we have 2 little rabbit-like teeth here on the upper, right? And this one I can get my finger in there, so it's pretty funny. A little fish biting my finger. And it's got these really domed out eyes, yellow of course. Unfortunately some scratching. The boxes are abrasive, so I kind of wish I don't know, they gotta do something about that. Like I would say more than half of my fugglers have scratches on the eyes. It's not good, right? You want to have smooth eyes. Maybe a piece of tape or something on them. And then yeah, nice fitting underwear considering it's a fish. And the tags again. What the heck? Am I that lucky? Or maybe all these have an orange button. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's how they distinguish the series. We'll find out on the last one, right? And again, this is like the same type of material, just a different color. A really short pile. Feels like velvet or yeah. I think this is the actual stuffing inside, this polyfill. This little thread I just pulled away. Yeah, it's kind of all over the place. Alright, well, that's Codfather. What is this one? I honestly don't know what this is. I don't know if this is a gap. No, it's not a gap tooth. Is it a hold on. I believe this character is called Shameless Goof. Alright. Well, now this is a medium length. Very soft. It feels softer than the other two. And again, it has orange. So, Yeah, I think maybe all of Wave 3 must have orange, because statistically, that would be near impossible for me to get 3 chases. Right, so, yeah, we'll find out. I'll probably get a few others from this collection, so. Yeah, the tag, unfortunately, getting in the way of this thing here, but the little stubby legs are alright, and I like how these arms are actually sticking upwards, although it's kind of hard to tell with this big furriness here. Alright, and this one obviously has blue eyes and 2 teeth again, but what's up with this one? This one had a little bit of brown in the molding process. It's interesting. It actually looks like it was a chipped tooth or something, and it's now coffee stained. So that's the first. I've never seen that in a Fuggler. I don't know why there would be brown in that plastic. Somehow a pellet of brown got in there, or someone. Maybe that's an insect, or who knows, whatever got into that plastic. Alright, that's it. And actually, this one's quite short. This is like maybe 8.5 centimeters. Yeah. So if you're looking for really small things to collect and you like plush toys that look really goofy, these might be right up your alley. Which do you like the most? I think I'm steering towards the Codfather. I prefer the eyes. This is a little weird to me. I guess it's supposed to be scary, but that's just a goofy character for sure. This one, unfortunately, is a little too hairy, so it's kind of hard to see what's going on. It is a really big mouth, though, and actually it makes me curious. Let's see if I can jam my finger in there. Yeah, I guess yeah. It's a little better now. So you can play around with something that small, actually. Okay, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time I get some baby Fugglers in. Bye.